you like humans to still be on this planet in 100 years? I know I would, but if we want humanity to prosper for future generations, some changes are going to have to be made now. Global warming is destroying our planet, and humans are causing it, and humans can prevent it. I'm not an expert on global warming, nor do I pretend to be. I just have always been interested in green energy and conserving human resources. Today I'm going to tell you about some of the facts on global warming, some projections of what may happen in the future, some of our current problems, and give you some simple solutions that everyone can make changes in their lives to help prevent global warming. Now, here's some facts. Over the last 100 years, global temperatures have risen about 1 degree. And that may not seem too bad, but it only took a 9-degree temperature change to start the Ice Age. Sea levels have risen on average about 7 inches, and that was after they had been consistent since as long as we've been taking records. 11 of the warmest years since 1900 have occurred since 1980, with the 2000s being the warmest decade on record. Some of those statistics may not be too alarming, but the projections are truly scary. On the drastic side, some scientists are saying that Earth will not be able to support life in 100 years. If temperature doesn't slow down its increase, 20 to 30% of the species that are currently on Earth would be extinct within the next 100 years. By 2050, the Arctic could be ice-free in the summer, and that would wipe out a lot of species and wildlife up there because there's no land. Sea levels could rise between 10 and 23 inches, drowning low-lying cities like Boston, Miami, New Orleans, and causing flooding in lots of wetlands around the world. And temperature could increase between 2 and 11.5 degrees. Now, some of the problems we're experiencing right now, global warming is already taking its toll. The percentage of Earth in drought has doubled since 1970s, leading to famines, especially in Africa, and it's causing a lot of death. The fire season is 2 months longer, and wildfires are also destroying about 6.5 times as much land as they did in 1970. Now, the world is not all hot and dying yet. It's not going to end anytime soon. And here are some solutions we can make to slow it down and save us for at least a few generations. Carpooling is something simple, and it really does help. It makes a big difference. And walking short distances instead of driving really helps with carbon emissions and lowering the amount of carbon released into the environment. Energy Star appliances run without using near as many fossil fuels as traditional appliances. I'm not trying to campaign for them, I'm just saying they are very good to use. And planting trees really helps increase oxygen levels, and it provides shade on buildings, which can really help in summer months with air conditioning and things like that. Now, I told you a few of the harmful effects of global warming tonight, and I know one speech is not going to change the general outlook on life, but I'm really just hoping that I can reach out to 2 or 3 people and they can help make a difference, and they can reach out to some more people. I didn't mean to get on my soapbox and preach. I just wanted to give a few simple solutions and try to help people out. And so now, maybe tomorrow, instead of driving to class, you can walk that short distance and help save the world.